Hi girly pops, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to crochet these cute mini star rings. So first we'll need 2 different coloured yarns. This time I'm going to use blue and grey, and then you'll also need a size 3.5 hook for this project. First we're going to start with crocheting the star. You'll need to first create a magic ring as I'm shown here. After you've created the magic ring, chain 2, so that's 1 chain, and then number 2, you'll need to single crochet back into the first chain we had just made, and then slip stitch back into the magic ring. You'll need to repeat this 5 times to make sure you've got the 5 pointy parts for the star. So we'll need to chain 2 again, and then single crochet back into the first chain, and then slip stitch back into the magic ring. That's 2. We need to do it 3 more times, so chain 2 again, and then single crochet back into the first chain you made, and then slip stitch back into the magic ring. Chain 2 again, single crochet back into the first chain, and then slip stitch back into the magic ring. And that's our 4th pointy part, and now it's time to do our last one. Chain 2 for the last time, and then single crochet back into the first chain, and then slip stitch back into the magic ring. And that is all of our 5 pointy parts for the star done. You'll now need to fasten up the magic ring, so close it by pulling that yarn. I have pulled it very tight, and that is your star done. This is how your star will look after you have cut the ends, and make sure you fasten off and hide the ends. Now it's time for the ring, so you'll need to first create a slip knot. You can make any method for the slip knot, it doesn't really matter. And then chain 11, this is depending on your finger size. You can chain as much as you need. After you've chained, you need to slip stitch back into the first chain you created to create the little ring shape. So 1 slip stitch, and then chain 1. And then single crochet all around the ring, starting from the chain we just slip stitch into. After you're single crocheted all around, you can slip stitch back into the first chain you created to fasten off the ends. Sure you leave a long tail to sew. This is how your ring will look like. Just a normal circular ring. Now it's time to sew. We're going to sew the star onto the magic ring. You can use any method, but I'm just showing how I sewed the star on. After you've sewn the star, you'll need to sew his little eyes. So this is just how I've done it, from the top into the bottom. And then from the bottom to the top this time for the second eye. And that is our ring done with his eyes and attached to the ring as well. This is how it will look. Thank you for watching, guys. So this is the end result. So I have made a blue ring and also a yellow ring. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure you like and comment on the next project you would like me to make a tutorial on, and please subscribe for more. Thank you very much. Love you guys. Bye.